Hi there, I'm Jason, and you're watching
Jason Learn!
Hi guys, so before we proceed to the next video lessons that I will be uploading, we are going to have this game quiz first. So this is an interactive PowerPoint presentation inspired by the superheroes of the Justice League. So I entitled this one as Choose a Superhero because all we just need to do is to choose a superhero. So we are going to choose from these 5 superheroes and then we're going to accomplish or answer their tasks. So let's start with Superman's tasks. So Superman's task is to find the product of these two binomials, 2x plus 3y times 4x plus 5y. So how are we going to help Superman with his task? So as I recall, all we just have to do in solving this is to use the FOIL method. So let's have this solution. So the solution for this task is just this. So we are going to find the product of these two binomials. Since dili man sila pariha and then wala man tong mga special products pattern, then all we just have to do is to use the FOIL method. So here it goes. So we're going to multiply 2x by 4x because first term multiplied by the first term, so that's 8x squared, and then 2x times 5y, so that's 10xy, and then inner terms 3y times 4x, that's 12xy, and then the last term, so 3y times 5y, that's 15y squared. And then since 10xy and 12xy are similar terms, so we could still combine this too. So this becomes, let's copy 8x squared, and then 10xy plus 12xy, that's 22xy, and then plus 15y squared. Let's just copy this term because wala man naman siya kapariha. And therefore, this is now our answer for this particular task. So quantity 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4x plus 5y is equal to 8x squared plus 22xy plus 15y squared. So we have now helped Superman in his task. So let's proceed to the other task. So let's choose another superhero. What if we are going to use, or we're going to choose Batman? Okay, Batman. So Batman's task is to find the product of this polynomial. So 5a times the quantity of 3a minus 7b. So let's help Batman in his task. So in solving this, we just have to use the special products about the distributive law. So here it goes. So we're just going to multiply 5a by 3a and then 5a by negative 7b. So 5a times 3a, that's 15a squared, and then 5a times negative 7b, that's negative 35ab. And this is now our answer for this particular task. So Batman's task is a little bit easy. Now how about the other superheroes? What about the Flash? So the Flash task is to find the product of this polynomial squaring this binomial 5m plus 6n. So diba, the pattern in solving this is just very easy. So in solving this, all you just need to do is to square the first term. So square the quantity of 5m, that's 25m squared, and then plus twice the product of the first term and the second term. So 5m times 6n, that's 30mn, times 2, that's 60mn, and then plus the square of the second term. So the square of quantity 6n is 36n squared. So therefore, the answer for this task is this one. So quantity 5m plus 6n squared is equal to 25m squared plus 60mn plus 36n squared. Okay, now we have already accomplished the Flash task. So this time, let's try to choose another superhero. So what about Wonder Woman? What is her task? So Wonder Woman's task is to find the product of 11p plus 12q and 11p minus 12q. So this is still again about special products. So we are going to be answering this since as what you have observed or as what you can see on the screen, but they have the same number of terms. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then they also have the same terms. So 11p, 11p, 12q, 12q, and the only difference is that this is plus, and this is minus. So there's a special product for this. And in answering this is just very easy. So all I just have to do to answer this directly is just to square the first term. So quantity 11p squared, that's going to be 121p squared, and then minus, the sign is always minus, the square of the second term, which is 12q. So quantity 12q squared, that's 144q squared. Therefore, the answer for this exercise, 11p plus 12q times 11p minus 12q is 121p squared minus 144q squared. Alright? Okay, let's choose this, the last superhero, Aquaman. So Aquaman's task is to find the product of this polynomial. So we have quantity 3r minus 2s times 9r squared plus 6rs plus 4s squared. So there is a pattern, a special product about this polynomial. So all I just need to do is to cube the first term. So quantity 3r cubed, that's 27r cubed. And then minus, since minus ni minus sad ni aning operation. So minus the cube of the second term. So the cube of 2s is 8s cubed. So this is now our answer for this particular task. So that's just basically it. We have now accomplished the task of the 5 Justice League superheroes. Okay, so this is just basically it. And this is a PowerPoint presentation inspired by the Justice League. So if you want to have a copy, a template, a copy of this PowerPoint presentation template, you could message me. So just message me through my Facebook account, Jason Learned, and just send me your email, and I will be glad to send you a soft copy, or a copy for this PowerPoint presentation template. You could actually use this for your teacher demonstration or during your class activity, during your face-to-face, whether it may be online or face-to-face. You can actually use this PowerPoint presentation to make your class more engaging and interactive. So that's all for now. Thank you, more power, and let's keep learning.